ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅವರು SLC ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿವೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y is equal to k are coincide, then the value of k is, four options are given: 3, 6, -3 and -6. Here it is given that x plus 2y is equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y is equal to k coincide. Here a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to 3. Similarly a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4 and c2 is equal to k. So since they coincide, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is equal to c1 by c2. By substituting, we will get 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by k. So 3 by k is equal to 1 by 2 we can take. So k will be equal to 6. So B, 6 is the right answer. Next question. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equal to 4n plus 5. Then the third term is, four options are given: 5, 9, 13 and 17. Here an is equal to 4n plus 5. We need third term. So in place of n we have to put 3. So 4 into 3 plus 5, which is equal to 17. Option D, 17 is the right answer. Next question. If the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0 are equal, then the value of k is options 9, -9, 8 and 5. Here it is given that roots of the quadratic equation are equal. So quadratic equation is x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0. Since they are equal, roots are equal, we can say b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then b square means b value is 6. So 36 minus 4k is equal to 0. So k will be equal to 9. So option A, 9 is the right answer. Next question. The value of sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree is, here we have to note all the trigonometric values. Here sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 degree value is also root 3 by 2. So we will get 3 divided by 4. So option C, 3 by 4 is the right answer. Next question. The distance of the coordinate P 4, 3 from the x-axis is 2 units, 3 units, 4 units and 5 units. Options are given. So P 4, 3. Okay. So if we plot some graph, we will get 4, 3 like this. So it will be 3 units from the x-axis. Okay. So 3 units will be the right answer. Next question. A straight line intersecting a circle at 2 points is called. Okay. Here the correct answer is option A, secant. Okay. In tangent it meets at only one point. Radius is different and normal is also different. So secant is the right answer. Next, seventh question. The volume of a cylinder is 300 meter cube. Then the volume of a cone having the same radius and height as that of cylinder is. Okay. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, which is equal to 300 meter cube. It is given. Then volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we know the formula of pi r square h is equal to 300 meter cube. So 1 by 3 into 300, we will get 100 meter cube. So option D, 100 meter cube is the right answer. Next, 8th question. The surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter is. So 4 options are given. You have to know the formula of surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi r square. On substituting, you will get 616 centimeter square. So option C, 616 centimeter square is the right answer. Second main, we have answered the following questions in a sentence each. So first, 9th question is, how many solutions have the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. So we have to find how many solutions these pair of equations have. So we have to see that what are the value of a1 by a2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. We are getting here 1 by 2 only, which is constant here. So we have infinitely many solutions here. Next, 10th question. Why is the standard form of quadratic equation? So standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next, 11th question. Find the value of tan theta minus cot of 90 degree minus theta. So cot of 90 degree minus theta will be tan theta. So tan theta minus tan theta, which is equal to 0. Next, 12th question. In the figure, angle B is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to angle C. BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Then find the value of tan 45 degree. Since angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to angle C, so we can say that it is a isosceles triangle. Since angle A is equal to angle C, AB must be equal to BC. So BC already given, so AB must be equal to 10 centimeter. So since the angles are same and since the sum of three angles is 180 degree, angle A and angle C must be 45 degree each. So tan 45 degree will be equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is 10 divided by 10. We will get the value 1. Next, 13th question. Write the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So midpoint will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Next, 14th question. Find the median of the scores 5, 8, 14, 16, 19 and 20. They are arranged in ascending order. So scores are even. Okay, total numbers are n is equal to 6. 6 numbers are there. So since it is a even number, we have to know that median formula will be becomes half of n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. So n by 2 means 6 by 2, which is third term. Third term here is 14 and n by 2 plus 1, which is fourth term, which is 16. So 14 plus 16 divided by 2, we will be getting 15. Okay, this is the right answer. 15th question. State Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratios. It is the definition of Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Next, 16th question. Write the formula to find the curved surface area of frustum of a cone as shown in the figure. Okay, CSA of frustum of cone is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Okay, thank you.